Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Big Crypto's World. Today we are going to discuss about Pyramid X. Remember, this is one of the projects that I highlighted among the best mining applications that we need to actually focus on them. The total supply is very limited, and that is why I told you you need to focus on this mining application. Don't be offline even a single day. For those people who haven't registered, I'll advise you to join as early as now. We are still on the first or initial stages, so you'll check on the video description as well on the comment section. You click on the available link, you create your account and start mining right away. Now, this great news, just go and confirm your mining rates. For those people who have referrals, the mining rates has been increased because, let me say it has been unlocked because we were not able to get the referral rewards in terms of mining rate. But currently, the unlocking went live today. So you are mining at a high rate. If suppose you have the required number of referrals, okay, so make sure by this time, this is the right time to make sure you are mining every day. Just keep on mining daily to maximize, to collect as much as you can as you mine. The only thing I could advise you, you can try as much as you can, invite your friend or your family so that you can increase your mining speed. We are still on the base mining rate. As you can see here, the mining rate is 0.0215 coins per hour. Understand? Remember, the total supply is very limited, and that is why you see this kind of mining rate during these initial stages. So the only way you can boost your mining rate to earn more coins is to at least invite somebody. Okay, inviting somebody is optional, it's not mandatory, but for those people who want to boost their mining so that they can collect more coins, then you can go ahead and invite your friends. Okay,